Hello drone friends, this is Alan at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Welcome to our Drone Weekly News Roundup and Happy New Year. As we mentioned last week, 2021 was a big year for the drone industry. I have a sneaking suspicion that 2022 is also going to be pretty big. Let's kick things off. This week, we're going to cover the Skydio 2 Plus and the new KeyFrame mode that was released at CES. We have a controversial story from Florida regarding approved drones for first responders and other state employees. And finally, Cinewhoop master Jay Christensen is at it again with a beautiful video from the NHL Winter Classic. Let's jump in. This week at the most influential tech event on planet Earth, CES 2022 in Las Vegas, Skydio released a new drone called the Skydio 2 Plus and a new mode called KeyFrame. The biggest update to the Skydio 2 Plus is that it comes with a 5 GHz Wi-Fi radio and new pop-up antennas, which doubles its range. This is important because we've been testing the Skydio 2 these last couple of months and found the range to be somewhat disappointing for certain types of flight missions. So it's nice to see that being solved in this update. The 2 Plus also has a 20% battery increase, so we're going from an advertised battery life of 24 minutes up to 27 minutes. The 2 Plus sells for $1,099. Skydio says it'll completely replace the Skydio 2 from here on. And Skydio's new KeyFrame mode, also unveiled at CES, allows drone pilots to identify the key points they want to shoot and then program the drone to autonomously fly that route at a selected speed. KeyFrame is a free update that's available for both the Skydio 2 and the 2 Plus. Needless to say, we will be installing the firmware on our Skydio 2 model and testing it in the coming weeks. If you currently own the Skydio 2 or want to learn more about this model, check out our YouTube series linked below. We'll be releasing new videos over the next couple of months, comparing this model to other popular models, doing a deep dive into its pros and cons, all that good stuff. Next up, an email recently sent to government agencies in Florida outlines the drones they can and cannot use and purchase with state funds. Folks, this is a big deal. The companies on the approved list are Skydio, Parrot, Altavian, Teal Drones, and Vantage Robotics, which is the same list of approved models we saw in the Department of Defense's original Blue UAS list. What's noticeably missing here are companies like DJI and Autel, and this is important because recent survey data from our friends over at droneresponders.org, the largest educational network for drones and public safety, indicates that 90% of public safety departments use DJI drones. So clearly this Florida state policy has many who work in public safety worried about their drone programs. The good news, if there is any here, I suppose, would be that agencies can continue to use their non-approved models through January 1st of 2023. But boy, oh boy, when you have an agency investing sometimes upwards of $25,000 to $30,000 to purchase a DJI Matrice to be used for search and rescue purposes, firefighting support, incident response, inspection work, there are lives being saved here. And this policy was undoubtedly influenced by lobbying and written by folks who don't understand drones. Florida's adoption could indicate that more states will follow, which could lead to a drastic decrease in the number of drone platforms available to first responders, law enforcement, fire departments. This is not good, folks, and something we're tracking closely over here. Let us know what you think about this in the comments below. More updates in the future. Okay, lastly, some brighter news. FPV drone pilot extraordinaire Jay Christensen, maker of the viral Right Up Our Alley Cinewhoop video, recently released this new video shot at the 2022 Discover NHL Winter Classic. Like all of his work, the video was captured in a single shot, taking us on a tour through Target Field, through the locker rooms of both the Minnesota Wild and St. Louis Blues hockey teams, and ending with the players shooting pucks at the drone. That'd be fun. The video was shot in Minneapolis, where Christensen lives and where several of his other Cinewhoops have been made. Please keep continuing to impress us, Jay. We love these videos. All right, folks, that's all we have for this week. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest drone news. Remember to check out the links below to read more. As always, we love your support. We love your comments. We're excited about 2022. Thanks for watching, and to all of you drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying.